members and other honorable guests, and also dear students who are present here. I'm highly thankful to the Vice Chancellor for inviting me in this event, and of course I am grateful to Mr. Tariq Hussain, the former director of World Bank USA and the present chairman Board of Trustees of Karachi University Alumni Association of Washington and Baltimore chapter, for giving me an opportunity to be the representative of alumni in this event. I got this honor because I have been associated with this alumni from 2004. As Dr. Asim told you, that I have been working as a secretary of University of Karachi Alumni Scholarship Selection Committee. I am responsible for the panel project 2020. The University of Karachi Alumni Association of Washington and Baltimore would like to offer our congratulations to Karachi University for installing 30 kilowatt solar panel grid diet system for the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences of the university in record time, in spite of the limitations imposed by COVID-19 pandemic. To the best of our knowledge, KU is one of the first two public sector universities in Karachi to have undertaken step on this path of greening the university. The other university is NAD University of Engineering and Technology. It was an honor for UKAA, University of Karachi Alumni Association, to be a partner in this project. KU leadership will hopefully motivate other public and private institutions of higher education to also engage in similar activities to lower their carbon footprints. Given the 53 departments and 41,000 students of Karachi University, the completion of a Karachi University-wide greening program would require the completion of this project would facilitate UKAA, University of Karachi Alumni Association, to seek resources to continue support your greening program. And we are happy to report that we have been able to do that for 2021 with the help of our donors. The most important of our donors for this cause is Engineer Ashraf Habibullah, who is an alumnus of NAD University of Engineering and Technology. He is a businessman in the USA and a special kind of philanthropist. We had suggested to the KU solar team to consider and dedicating this solar project to him. Such act of acknowledgement provide encouragement or motivations to our donors. He and a few other donors have given UKAA additional resources for 2021, and we will be writing to KU in the very near future how we can proceed in 2021 and beyond. We would like to congratulate and thankful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Khalid Iraqi of Karachi University and his solar team for this first step towards the greening of Karachi University. It was a pleasure to work with Dr. Shahid, Dr. Riaz, Dr. Abid Hussain, Arshad Hussain, Mehboob Sahab, Dr. Mamnoon. During this effort, we would also like to thank Dr. Shamimi Qureshi. She was instrumental in the scholarship program for KU and its affiliates. And she provided continuous flow of financial resources during the project implementation. All members of Karachi University Alumni Association are active, like Mr. Wasim Adil is present here. He is a former principal of National College and chairman of Physics Department of the same college. On the behalf of Tariq Hussain, I would like to extend my appreciation to Mr. Wasim Adil for his active and sincere participation in different projects of alumni for the benefit of students. It may be important to mention that last year UKAA awarded 632 scholarships to Karachi University and its affiliates. In 2021, we are planning to increase that number significantly. In the end, again congratulating to the Vice Chancellor and his solar team and all the faculty members, and of course, thank you so much to the Barrister Saab for giving his presence in this event and making it more beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shamimi Qureshi.